If you're looking for polyurethane wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 polyurethane wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Collectible Badges. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Trintec. Number 3. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Heartfelt. Number 5, by Infinity Instruments. Find these polyurethane wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Zeckos. Number 7, by Trintec. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Heartfelt. Number 9, by Trintec. Discover more polyurethane wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Factory Direct Wall Decor.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.